Germany has highways where you can legally drive over 180 miles per hour, and no one pulls you over. No federal speed limit, no automatic ticket, just open road and whatever your car can handle. But Germany isn't just fast cars and highways. It's Europe's largest economy, a country that rebuilt itself after division, a nation of engineers, exporters, forests, castles, and some of the strictest rules you'll ever encounter. Get ready, because in this video, you'll discover 25 facts about Germany that might completely change how you see this country. Number 25. Germany is the largest economy in Europe. It's the fourth largest economy in the world, behind only the United States, China, and Japan. And it achieved that without massive oil reserves or vast natural resources. Germany built its power through engineering, manufacturing, and exports. Cars, machinery, chemicals, robotics, and industrial equipment made here are shipped across the globe. If Europe has an economic engine, this is it. Number 24. Much of the Autobahn has no speed limit. Around 70% of Germany's highway network has no permanent speed cap. Drivers can legally go as fast as conditions allow. The roads are engineered for it. Long sight lines, high-quality pavement, strict vehicle inspections. Attempts to introduce nationwide speed limits regularly spark heated national debate. For many Germans, the Autobahn represents freedom and precision engineering at its finest. Number 23. Germany is one of the world's largest car exporters. Brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Porsche, and Volkswagen aren't just companies. They are pillars of the German economy. The automotive industry employs hundreds of thousands of people and supports entire regions. German vehicles are sold in nearly every country on Earth, and German engineering has become a global reputation. Number 22. Public universities are tuition-free. In 2014, Germany abolished tuition fees at public universities. Students pay only small administrative fees each semester. Even international students can attend without taking on massive debt. In a world where higher education can cost tens of thousands of dollars per year, Germany treats education as a public investment rather than a private burden. Number 21. Germany invented the modern welfare state. In 1883, under Otto von Bismarck, Germany introduced the world's first national social health insurance system. Workers contributed through payroll deductions, and coverage was mandatory. This model influenced public healthcare systems across Europe and beyond. Many modern social systems trace their roots back to policies first introduced here. Number 20. It's illegal to run out of gas on the Autobahn. Stopping unnecessarily on the highway is considered dangerous and avoidable. If you run out of fuel, you can be fined. Walking along the Autobahn is also illegal, except in emergencies. The expectation is simple: plan ahead. Efficiency and order aren't just cultural stereotypes here, they're written into law. Number 19. Nearly 1/3 of Germany is forest. Over 11 million hectares of woodland cover the country. The famous Black Forest is only one example. Many forests are carefully managed and replanted. Germany's environmental planning stretches back centuries, and sustainable forestry is taken seriously. Even close to major cities, dense woods are never far away. Number 18. Germany has more than 20,000 castles. Some are perfectly preserved. Others are crumbling ruins on remote hills. Neuschwanstein Castle, with its towers and dramatic alpine setting, inspired Disney's fairy tale castle and attracts over 1 million visitors every year. Driving across Germany, it's common to see a castle appear on a ridge without warning. Number 17. Germany didn't have a capital for over 40 years. After World War II, the country was divided into East and West. West Germany governed from Bonn, while Berlin remained split by a wall. Only after reunification in 1990 did Berlin officially become the capital again. Government institutions had to be relocated and rebuilt. It was one of the largest political reorganizations in modern European history. Number 16. German beer is regulated by a 500-year-old law. The Reinheitsgebot, or beer purity law, dates back to 1516. It originally limited beer ingredients to water, barley, and hops. While modern brewing allows more flexibility, the law still symbolizes Germany's strict quality standards. Beer isn't just a beverage here, it's cultural heritage. Number 15. Parents can't name their child anything they want. German registrars can reject names that might harm a child's well-being or aren't clearly identifiable as names. Even unusual spellings can be denied. The idea is that a name shouldn't disadvantage someone later in life. It's another example of how structure and regulation shape daily life. Number 14. Germany is built for bicycles. The country has over 75,000 kilometers of cycling paths. Many are separated from traffic and clearly marked. In cities like Freiburg and Munich, a significant portion of daily commutes happen by bike. Infrastructure planning encourages it. Number 13. Sundays are legally quiet days. Most shops close. Loud yard work is discouraged. Construction noise is restricted. The day is meant for rest. The rule is rooted in religious tradition and labor protections, but it remains widely respected. It's a sharp contrast to always open economies. And we're only halfway through the list. Some of the most surprising facts are still coming. Number 12. Berlin has more bridges than Venice. The city spans rivers, canals, and lakes with nearly 2,000 bridges. Most people don't associate Berlin with water, but the Spree River winds directly through the city center, connecting dozens of smaller waterways. Number 11. Germany borders 9 countries. No other European nation shares more borders. It touches Denmark, Poland, the Czech Republic, Austria, Switzerland, France, Luxembourg, Belgium, and the Netherlands. That central location shaped its economy, trade networks, and history. Number 10. Christmas markets are a national institution. Every December, towns and cities transform into glowing marketplaces filled with wooden stalls selling mulled wine, roasted nuts, and handmade decorations. Some markets have operated continuously for over 600 years. The Nuremberg market alone draws millions of visitors annually. Number 9. Germany has one of the highest recycling rates in the world. Nearly every bottle and can carries a deposit called Pfand. When you return it to a machine in the store, you get your money back. The system has existed for decades and has helped build a culture where recycling is routine. Number 8. Germany is one of the world's top exporting nations. Year after year, it ranks among the global leaders in exports. Precision machinery, industrial tools, chemicals, medical equipment, and vehicles leave German ports in enormous volumes. Trade is the backbone of its economy. Number 7. There's a German town completely surrounded by Switzerland. Busingen am Hochrhein is legally German, but economically tied to Switzerland. Residents use Swiss currency and phone networks while living under German law. The arrangement dates back centuries and remains in place today. Number 6. Germany's population is aging rapidly. Birth rates are low, and projections suggest that by mid-century, a significant portion of the population will be over 60. Immigration plays a key role in maintaining the workforce and supporting economic stability. Number 5. The Cologne Cathedral took over 600 years to complete. Construction began in 1248 and wasn't finished until 1880. During World War II, much of Cologne was destroyed, but the cathedral survived heavy bombing and still dominates the skyline today. Number 4. There's a street in Hamburg where photography is banned. Herbertstrasse, located in the city's red light district, prohibits photos to protect privacy. Police enforce the rule, and clear warnings are posted at the entrance. Number 3. Germans rarely jaywalk. Even when no cars are visible, most people wait for the pedestrian signal. It reflects a broader cultural emphasis on order, predictability, and shared responsibility. Number 2. Germany reunified peacefully after decades of division. In 1990, East and West Germany officially became one country again. The economic and political integration that followed was massive and remains one of the most significant reunifications in modern history. Number 1. Germany rebuilt itself into a global powerhouse after total devastation. After World War II left much of the country in ruins, Germany underwent an economic transformation known as the Wirtschaftswunder, the economic miracle. Within decades, it became Europe's strongest economy. From division to reunification, from destruction to global export leader, Germany's modern story is one of reconstruction and resilience. So which of these facts completely changed how you see Germany? Was it the tuition-free universities, the export dominance, or the Autobahn with no speed limit? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to explore how other countries compare, check out the next video on screen. Subscribe for more geography breakdowns from Beyond Borders.